Coming up on today's Panther Beat, Stuco is planning Pride Week.
Your Panther Beat starts now.
What's up, Panthers? I'm Quinn.
And I'm Tess, and this is your Panther Beat for Friday, March 13th.
Panthers, get ready to be on your best behavior for Stuco's first ever Pride Week. Here's Student Council Representative Addison Last.
What's going on, Panthers? Stuco's putting on a Panther Pride Week. If you follow participation for Monday, respect for Tuesday, integrity for Wednesday, dedication for Thursday, and excellence for Friday, your teacher will give you a ticket with your name on it, and you'll go to the attendance office, put the name in the ticket box, and someone will draw it. And if your name gets pulled, you have the chance to win a pack of pencils, Neatos, and gift cards.
The seniors have spoken. Your prom theme is Starry Night. Prom is on April 25th at the Regency in O'Fallon.
Ticket sales begin next Monday, March 16th. To purchase online, visit the OTHS prom webpage. If you need to pay in cash, stop by room 1025.
Tickets are $55. You'll need to have all fees cleared and guest approval forms turned in before you can buy a ticket.
Follow O'Fallon Prom on Instagram or visit the OTHS prom webpage for details.
Seniors will vote for Prom Monarch and Senior Personalities on Monday, March 16th in Advisory. Every vote counts, so be sure to attend Advisory on Monday to cast your vote.
Now over to Allie with your Panther Sports.
Hey, O'Fallon, I'm Allie with the Panther Sports. The girls bowling went to state, and they got 6th place. Here's Lily and Mia catching up with the team.
The girls' bowling team placed 6th at state. Senior Jenna Horner and Abigail Lands explains their experience.
On Saturday, we had a little bit of a rough start, but we started to pick each other up, and by the very last game, we were bowling really, really well, and our anchor, Athena, she got a 288, which is like crazy good, and it was just a really great way to end our season as seniors.
I think the most memorable moment was when we were all sitting, waiting for announcements to come out, and we were all talking, and then they told us that we made 6th.
Coach Komorowski said that the team's strong connection helped carry them to state. The players were committed and worked hard for each other, which helped the team succeed throughout the season.
The thing I'm most proud about is the way we did as a team. We really, we dropped down places. We started off in 4th on the first day, but then dropped down to 8th with our rough start. But then we picked it back up. We got 6th, and we beat the entire South.
I'm most proud of how we really kept each other up as a team and cheered each other on even when it was getting difficult. And I think we worked together really well this season.
Reporting for Panther Beat, this is Lily
and Mia.
The lacrosse team takes on Republic High at noon tomorrow at the Pack. Pop out to show some support. And also, boys baseball has the blue and gold game Saturday. Go watch because there's some winners. And watch them hit some dingers. That's all for me. Now it's over to the Panther birthdays.
Thanks, guys. I'm Christian with your weekend birthdays. Happy birthday for today goes out to Kaylin Barnes, Mia Booker, Catch Hackstadt, Jara McIntosh, Garrison Schneider, Mari Suggs, and Aiden Schweitzer. And a special happy birthday goes out to faculty member Miss Haddon and Dr. Evans. Birthdays for tomorrow, the 14th, are Meadow Grandum, Isabella Henry, Arlen Lewis, Amani Riggins, and Jude Rose. Celebrating birthdays on Sunday, the 15th, are Honey and Petrod and Lucy Culp. And a special happy birthday goes out to faculty member Miss Dobbs. That's all from me. Now back to the news desk.
And now for your club news. Do you have clothes you want to trade? Do you love thrifting? Come to the Environment Club's first ever thrift swap today in the Smiley Panther Center. Bring $10 and clean, unwanted clothes to swap.
Treat Yourself and Key Club are hosting Creating Kindness Kits in honor of Random Acts of Kindness Month.
The drive ends March 20th. Drop off donations at the front of Smiley campus or in room 412. Milburn can drop off items with Mrs. Turner in room 2413. Check out the flyers posted around the school for more information. Spanish Club, HSA, and Culture Mix are getting ready to come together next Wednesday to cook Hispanic foods. Come to Miss McGee's room in room 308 for food and fun.
Do you speak any languages besides English? Well, it's time for the Seal of Biliteracy testing. If you are proficient in both English and another language and would like to qualify for the Seal of Biliteracy on your diploma, Please email Mrs. McGee for more information.
Key Club meets next Thursday to elect officers. If you're running for a position, be sure to prepare a short speech. Reach out to Ms. Hubler with any questions.
Juniors and seniors, who wants to help plan prom? Attend the prom committee meeting after school on Thursday, March 19th in room 1025.
Book Club meets next Tuesday, March 24th. Report to Smiley Room 205 from 3 to 3:40. Everyone is welcome. That's it for today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel.